What is AI art? Artificial intelligence, AI, has grown from a niche interest in recent years to something that touches almost every part of our lives today. From self-driving cars and digital assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa, to virtual personal assistants on computers, smartphones, and other devices, and even smart home appliances, AI is playing an increasingly important role in the way we live and work. In addition to these visible applications, there are many more still undiscovered uses of AI. One such emerging field is artificial intelligence art, AI art, or the use of artificial intelligence techniques as a medium for creating art. Computer scientists have been using AI to generate images since the 1980s, but this is the first time it's been used as an artistic medium. Mathematical algorithms to create art. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a subfield of computer science that makes machines act like humans. It's about creating machines that can perceive the world around them, understand concepts, and make decisions based on this information. With AI, computers can perform tasks that would be difficult or impossible for humans to do, like recognizing patterns in massive amounts of data, diagnosing diseases, and more. Artificial intelligence art, also known as art generated by AI, is a subset of AI in which computers are used to create works of art. Artists who use AI to create art are known as AI artists. Artists have been using computers to generate and manipulate images since the 1950s. These works of computer art are created with software code, mathematical algorithms, and computer graphics models, but they are not necessarily considered to be AI art because they don't involve machine learning and other forms of artificial intelligence. Artists provide instructions to a computer to generate art. AI art usually begins with a creative process that's similar to how traditional artists create their work. The artist first imagines an idea for a piece. It could be a landscape, a portrait, or maybe something abstract. One method of creating AI art is from a sketch. This will create a first draft of the desired final product that helps the artist plan their creative process and execute the final work in a way that best expresses their artistic intent. The artist then composes the artwork by providing instructions for the computer to manipulate mathematical algorithms and computer-generated images in a way that best achieves the desired aesthetic and artistic effect. In other words, the artist creates a set of rules and instructions that the computer uses to generate a final piece of art. Now, it is possible for people that are not artists to create AI art simply by providing text instructions and keywords using a platform like Midjourney. We will explain this in more detail later in this training. AI art can help artists and non-artists too. Art is often a process of trial and error, with many artists revisiting their work until they get it right. Computers are extremely efficient and consistent in the way they perform tasks, and AI can help artists work more efficiently and consistently, freeing them to spend more time honing their craft and exploring new ideas. In addition to this, computers are capable of using a large amount of data and existing information to generate new kinds of art. Sometimes, AI is designed to generate entirely new and unexpected results. AI-generated art can be a way for artists to explore new ideas, create something different from their previous work, and even challenge their preconceived notions about artistic expression. It is also available to people that are not artists to create images that they imagine. AI is becoming a medium for artistic impression. Artists have been experimenting with AI since the 1980s, but this is the first time that technology has become a medium for artistic creativity. As computer scientists continue to perfect their programming, AI is becoming more sophisticated and advanced, allowing it to create more complex and high-quality work. These technological developments have created new opportunities for artists who want to experiment with AI, but they've also increased interest in the field among scholars, media outlets, and the general public. As such, AI has emerged as its own artistic genre, and more people have been exploring the technology's artistic possibilities. AI art can have a different look. AI artists and the general public are creating different types of art with technology, from visual art pieces to music and poetry. Art pieces generated from AI can be very different from one another, depending on the artist's creative vision and the technology used to generate the artwork. Some AI artists may use different programming languages, computer graphics models, and algorithms to create their art. Other artists are creating designs using machine learning techniques, but most use programming languages and algorithms. It is reasonably easy to create AI art. Artists have been using computers to create art since the 1950s, but they've been using AI to create art since the 1980s. Technology has advanced significantly since then, allowing artists to create more complex work with the assistance of AI. People can use AI to generate new designs, create more efficient workflows, and explore new creative ideas. It is also useful for artists who are interested in exploring AI itself as an artistic medium. Anyone can now use AI to generate new designs, create more efficient workflows, and explore new creative ideas. In this training, you will learn exactly how you can create awesome-looking AI art that you can sell. AI art technology continues to advance. It's hard to predict where AI art will go from here, but it will certainly evolve with time. As people continue experimenting with AI, they'll discover new ways to use technology to create new and exciting forms of art. Artists will also continue exploring the philosophical implications of AI art, asking questions like, what does it mean for a computer to create art? How do we define what art is? And what does AI art say about humanity in general? You do not need to concern yourself with questions like this. In this training, you will learn how you can easily create AI art with no previous artistic skills and then sell it to make money. This is a new market, so you'll be getting involved at the right time. In the next video, we will discuss the benefits of creating AI art.